शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा।
जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे,
भारत भाग्य विधाता।
जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ, निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव, सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला, या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता, या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा, या श्वेतपद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा पूजिता, सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती।
Hello, welcome to everybody. Thanks for coming. My name is Arshad Parekh. I am the president of the World Vegan Vision Mumbai chapter. And today we are hosting this event. And we are especially very happy that our founder and chairperson, Shri H.K. Shah and chairwoman Malti Shah are in our presence. That is a big news for us. So I will explain few things, then Mr. H.K. Shah will be expanding on it. World Vegan Vision is a 33-year-old organization. Mr. H.K. Shah and Malti Shah came to USA and he was established there. He realized that our Indian parents' children are started eating meat, even though they were a vegetarian initially. And that gave him an idea to create an institution like World Vegetarian Vision. And we ran that as for promotion of vegetarianism. Then we realized that there is a need for veganism as well. So the name was converted to World Vegan Vision. And we are a 33-year-old NGO. We have about 10 chapters all around world. There are 3 chapters in USA, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Long Island. And there are 7 chapters in India, and we are expanding to another 5 or 6 next year. We have a right now chapter in Mumbai, Delhi, Surat, Ahmedabad, Pune, and other cities. So I hope you will be able to take advantage of it. Thanks for coming here. How many of you have known somebody in the family or friends, lifestyle-related disease like diabetes, heart disease, cancer, obesity? This is the luckiest day of your time. Today we are going to explain to you that this lifestyle disease, how it can be reversed. Dr. Rupa Shah has created a great 7-episode series, which is Doctor in Me. And this is 2nd episode, and we are premiering today's 2nd episode, which is Reversing the Disease. So thank you very much again for coming. I would invite Mr. H.K. Shah to give us a few advice and few blessings how to expand our activity in India. Thank you very much. Mr. H.K. Shah, please.
Thank you. Our friend Rupa Bensa. I started Vegetarian Vision first in 1992, 33 years ago in New York. We have been doing this activity in America for last 33 years. Most of the activities are concerned regarding the food, health, environmental, and animal rights. We have a strong team of people working there without expecting any payment of salary, money. They are putting their time day in and day out. At the moment we have got, myself as a chairman, I am retiring in a year or two. I have appointed another person as a vice chairman whose name is Mr. Vijay, what is his name? Mr. Kalandikar. He is going to take over completely from me in a year or two. Our functions are mostly Thanksgiving dinner every year. We have also another function of the cruise. We have about 300-400 people involved in the cruise every year. We get a support from the Consul General of India. Every year we get a check from the Consul General of India. Consul General of India means the government of India. Also we get money from the New Jersey government, and this we are going to try this year from the New York State government. There is full support from the government, semi-government, and public. Our organization throughout America is well respected and very well known. These are the things we have been doing for 33 years. Now coming to the Bombay, we opened this branch here 5 years ago, and now we have got several branches in India. We are planning to have more branches into India and going to Nepal, Bhutan, and nearby states. Age is against me, so I can't do, but whatever I have done is done, and I can't do. Coming to the point of view of why we are meeting today, to save the animal, make the vegan food, vegan health and love. The milk is the most culprit thing in our life. माँ का दूध माँ के लिए, गाय का और भैंस का दूध उसका बच्चा के लिए. माँ का बच्चा होता है बड़ा 50 पाउंड, 100 पाउंड, 150 पाउंड का. गाय का और भैंस का बच्चा होता है 1 टन, 2, 3 टन. If you want your बच्चा to become भैंस का बच्चा और गाय का बच्चा, give them this milk and give the disease. These are the things. There are several doctors, they will speak. I am not a doctor, but I am very experienced person with many doctors around the world. Thank you for listening to me, and have a nice day.
I hope everyone has got the food coupons, okay? And then when you leave, we have a goodie bag for you.
Harshad Parekh has helped a lot to me. He's helped me a lot. 7 years in USA and many years here. So we welcome Mr. Harshad Parekh, who has helped us a lot. So I and Rupa Ben just give the son honor. One of the nicest kind person.
Mr. H.K. Shah is my mentor. I have been following his advice since last several years. He has been doing vegetarian promotion for last 50 plus years. He has brought people from America to his factory. Gurudev Chitrabhanu was also there. So this is at his heart. He is 94-year-old, and his wife and my wife, they are more 80 plus year old. And I am 80-year-old. I have survived 3 cancer, 1 stroke, 2 Crohn disease, and kidney disease. And I am survived because of all this veganism. Milk is a deadly toxin and you will see the effect of the milk, what we are ruining, how they are ruining our life in this film which Rupa Ben has made with Vatsal Nathwani. Thank you very much.
So are you all excited to see the movie? Yes. Just 2 questions. One question, how many are medical doctors today? Oh, there are lots. Okay, thank you for coming. And how many of you have seen the episode 1 of Doctor in Me series? Episode 1, it is already there on YouTube. So there are not many. Anyway, so you have to go on YouTube and look for Doctor in Me episode 1, and then you will see the link for it. Okay, so I like myself, Dr. Rupa Shah. I'd like to first of all introduce the person who is the director of the film, Vatsal Nathwani. So I've been following plant-based diet for 16 plus years now. I'm a medical doctor. And I did many events in Mumbai, lots of festivals, bazaars, potluck, film screening, and also I did, parties in restaurants, all kinds of events I did. But finally, just about 3 years ago, it suddenly struck to me that unless I talk to my own colleagues, that's medical doctors, and inspire them about this knowledge, nothing is going to change. So then I started all my time dedicated to medical doctors and telling them the facts, the medical facts. Then, they don't have much knowledge about nutrition or reversing diseases. We are all trained for prescription, but we do not know how to reverse a disease. We are happy to manage a disease. So, but here we are talking about prevention of disease and reversing disease. I think we all know, right? Prevention is better than cure. We keep repeating this stuff all the time, but we don't practice it, unfortunately. So this is our attempt to inspire people to show that lifestyle-related diseases are totally, you can reverse them if you pay attention and start very early in life. But there are also cases where even later in life they are able to reverse it. So finally, making up a film was a better idea to reach millions of people, because that's the medium. People are glued to their cell phone and they are watching videos, and that's the content. That's where we get the eyeballs. So we decided to make film. And when we started making the film, it was like we took 70 different interviews. We met 25 plus medical doctors who are plant-based in India. And it was an amazing journey to interview them, then so many of the patients who reverse their diseases, extraordinary stories. But how will I, make it reach masses? This is the way to reach masses, is to make up a film. So then Vatsal came in, and we started our journey of working on the whole theme, recording, writing the script, and then today you will see what is the message we are going to give. Vatsal, you want to say anything?
Grateful for this opportunity, and this is just a part of what we are creating.
And first of all, a big thank you to H.K. Shah and Malti-Ben for giving us this platform today to make this world premiere actually happen. I think I only dreamt of it, but the creation works out everything on time and it just happens. And the film was just about to be released, and Harshad Parekh just thought, oh, now let's do this. This is the right platform. And so everything worked out. So we are going to start with the film. It's 1 hour and 10 minutes. 70 minutes is there. So next 70 minutes, everybody please request to put your phones on silent and be glued on the screen. He and me have worked endless hours. You will not know how many hours and how many times we have watched it again and again for mistakes, for editing, for checking the facts, everything. So finally it's like our baby, it's like taking the product. Now, can we get the lights little dimmed or less and the sound all perfect so that everybody can see? Because that will make a big of a difference. Please switch off your phone or whatever, put it on silent. Then it will not disturb everyone. So we'll start it. No wasting time. Post-film. I will be here, and maybe I'm going to call some of my doctor colleagues who are plant-based to come and sit here, and we will answer your questions. If any of you are in a hurry and would like to eat, then just a few of you can start eating, not all at once. So in rotation, everybody can eat for till 7:30, whatever is the time. Okay? And we'll be continue our question answer and whatever you all want to know more about the film. The topic is extremely important because 101 million people in India are diabetic, and about another 50 million are borderline, are soon going to get rubber stamp of diabetes. So this is extremely valid topic, and this message will reach to every household who needs to know about it. Okay, shall we start? You want to say anything? Okay, so this is a program for today. So I'm going to now call a few of you for feedback. Who wants to come first? Short feedback, okay? Not a long one. Aao, Dr. Mahendra Patel, come. We'll have time for question answers just in few minutes. We are just taking a small break. Those who want to use restroom or whatever. And then we'll start question answer session.
Very good evening. First, I feel let's give her a very standing ovation. She is going to create reversing diabetes is not a very small thing. I have been practicing medicine for last 45 years. Last 5 years in the city of Bombay, I have been attending the conferences which are national and international, which are only on diabetes. Millions of dollars and rupees have been spent, and every day, every month, a new molecule for treatment of diabetes has been coming. I have my 10 colleagues who have already come here. Since morning we were busy with the conference and we came here. I know Rupa Ben. I had attended her two various previous programs, but I did not know that you can reverse the diabetes. I think it's a fantastic thing which I think we have learned. If each of us, we can try for a month, we can help ourselves, number one. And if we can help ourselves, we can help a lot of people. I can tell you, and I'm taking an oath today, that I'm going to learn from Dr. Rupa Ben, and I'm going to try treatment for the diabetic patient. I just want to say initially a few things. Let us see. I mean, this is what I've heard. Let us practice. Let us first learn ourselves, practice, and I'm sure this will go a long way. I must compliment her for her fantastic effort she is taking. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I would like to call Professor Vijay Joshi. Please come here. Professor Joshi now stays in Pune, but he has specially traveled. I want you to see his face. Meet him. We started the film with him. You can see him personally. And just, it would be wonderful to see and listen to his story, right? You already listened some of it. Maybe he wants to share something.
Namaskar. Actually, we are all very fortunate to be over here to see about the most trouble-making kind of a disease, the most silent killer, and on which everyone is worried. You ask every person, and you know someone who is close to or is already having diabetes, and then the complications of it. So this was absolutely a great contribution by this team, and even our Vatsal, and the kind of patience that he has shown in taking the shooting, correcting us, giving us time. And it's a really very mammoth task. And all these 7 or 8 documentaries you are bringing, so all these will be really a great contribution to humanity and a great message, because unless it comes in a movie, you see the things, you don't get motivated. Okay. So that's, yeah.
I wanted to ask you, do you have any disease, anything at all right now?
No, absolutely not. Last 14 years, 2010, my doctor told me that please don't come to me. And whatever you are following, follow those changes. He had least curiosity. But finally, I am really very, very happy, because as she has asked me, so far there is no chronic disease which has come anywhere near me. I completed 75. I do almost 5 days a week, 5.5 kilometers of cycling. And that I have started at the age of 72. So I don't think, in fact, many times I tell people that I am so fortunate and so grateful to this diet and Dr. Nandita Shaha and Rupa Shaha, who personally took so much of care. After the program also, we used to meet them and they would help us. So that's a great feeling that not only you have stopped the medicine, but you are also looking very fit and active. So that's the great thing, I believe.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. I'm calling Anil Nagpal. Anil ji, please come. Anil ji, especially you've taken trouble. Please come. You saw him in the film? Yes? He stays in my neighborhood, but I had not met him before. But once I heard about his reversal disease story, I called him. And he's right here, right? Ordinary man deciding to take charge of his own health. He decides to give up dairy products and see where he is now today. You saw him doing yoga, right?
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank all of you for coming over and watching this film. It's very simple to heal yourselves. I was not knowing her earlier. Had I known her earlier, it would have been a great help for me. But yet, nevertheless, we were supposed to meet. We did meet. And I would say this is an amazing journey. I recently got my checkups done. By birth, I am 62. And my report, the age of my organs came to 37 years. My organs are way back in 2000 now. We are in 2025. So there's a book published recently on Health on Fire in US. They have covered the journey of 3 people from the world. One from US, one from Australia, one from India. From India, my journey was selected and they have published it. The book is being sold on Amazon. I'm grateful to Dr. Rupa and other doctors for doing this excellent job. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, thank you. Anyone who has not taken the food coupon, you please take it from the counter. Please take the food coupon from the counter if you have not received it, okay? You will get it from the counter. Now, my doctor friends here, anyone who wants to ask questions or give me any feedback, I would like to invite them. There are so many doctors here in the audience who have come today. Please come. Welcome. Please introduce yourself and then we would like to know.
So I'm from the audience group. My name is Baiju Gujarati. I've been practicing veganism for about 2 years, but to a not 100% extent. My group has a question to you, doctor, on the substitute for paneer. Most of us believe that either soya or the tofu is a good substitute. So would like to learn about technically, is that true? What is the moderation or the proportion you should have? And for women in particular, does it influence the estrogen levels? Thank you.
Wonderful question. So these are the kind of questions when we receive, we understand that you've understood. So congratulations for that.
Thank you.
From soya bean, you can make tofu. That is one replacement. today you all are going to get a goodie bag. In the goodie bag, there will be a book. It is called as Dairy Alternatives. So that is the book that I have written in 3 languages. I have given you Hindi, but if you want to exchange, you can take the English one also Gujarati one. Tofu is one of them. Tofu has phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogens do not disturb the female hormones in our body. This is what the research data says. So there's nothing to worry about eating some bit of soya, because it is one of the finest way of taking protein which are plant-based. It also comes with a lot of calcium. Second, I went to a restaurant just on Friday, and this restaurant had also paneer. But guess what was the paneer made up of? Watermelon seeds. Have you heard of watermelon seeds? So it's a commercial product. Someone in my own neighborhood is making this paneer, which is watermelon seeds. And you can make exactly just like how we have dairy paneer. It is very tasty, very soft. So even this is possible. There's another one that is possible, which is called as chickpeas or chana. So we make chifu out of it, chifu. So there are so many, plus masoor dal. You can still again make a similar like paneer you can make. You can also make from seeds like sesame seeds and all. So the sky is open. You give up one paneer, you have half a dozen more kinds of paneer.
So there are a lot of tofu products in market. Is there any particular thing one should be watchful so that we are not consuming something which is wrong? Some particular tips which you can read on the label?
So the tofu, the best is made at home. I make it at home. It's very easy. Just like how you make paneer. First you make soya milk, and just from soya milk you can make tofu.
So you make soya milk also at home?
I make soya milk at home. There's a very simple gadget that I have, but you don't even need a gadget. My book doesn't show any gadgets. But there is a soup maker, or there are also nut milk makers. You just press the button, put the seeds, put water, press the button, and in just 20 minutes you have your milk ready, hot. You just cool it, make it into curd. You can make paneer out of it. We call it as...
Multifunction soup makers are good enough to make milk out of it.
Yes. Wonder Chef or any other brands you can try. It's very good. And it's just no efforts at all. Make at home. Very cheap. Which is the cheapest milk is the soya milk. Right, Surendra Bhai? Soya milk. So now we have many here who are plant-based for many, many, many years. So I would like to call Surendra Bhai. Please come.
Thank you.
Thank you. Surendra Bhai is Dr. Nandita Shah's father. How young are you?
91.
Young at 91. And plant-based for how many years?
38 years.
38 years. Did you hear properly? 38 years. तो 38 years आपने दूध और दूध की कोई चीज़ नहीं ली. आप तो वेजिटेरियन हो, तो आप ऊपर नहीं पहुंच गए. Right? What is the concept we have? दूध नहीं पिएगा तो मर जाएगा. पनीर तो चाहिए ना, प्रोटीन तो चाहिए. दही के बिना नहीं चलेगा. मेरी सुबह चाय के बिना नहीं होती.
Sorry, what did you say?
This is what people say. They don't want to give up dairy products. But 38 years ago, you started your journey.
Yeah. I've been also medicine-free for the 38 years.
Medicine-free for 38 years. I know he sent me a form a few years ago for his driver's license. I signed it.
Yeah.
Yes. So, and then you walk most of the time, right?
Pardon?
You always walk.
Yeah, I walk 5 kilometers every day.
5 kilometers every day at this age.
And I don't use a car.
He doesn't use a car, okay?
I stay on Marine Drive right here.
Yeah, Marine Drive.
And everything is near walkable for me. Anything 2.5, 3 kilometers, I just walk and come back.
Fantastic. Thank you. So, what an inspiration, right? Yeah, thank you. Arshad Bhai, you want to come and say? So now you meet another Harshad Parekh, who is the one who also inspired me also. in my initial journey, initial days, how it happened. Slowly, no problem, no hurry, no hurry, no hurry. Come, I'll stand with you.
Hi, my name is Arsat Parekh. Me and my wife Naina Parekh, we are vegan for 35 years. And in 35 years, we have reversed many diseases. My wife is diabetic for 45 years. Her sister and her mother died at the age of 44, but she is 80, and today she looks like 60. I have survived 3 cancers, 1 stroke, 2 kidney disease and 1 Crohn disease. And I'm fully working today at this age with all the complication, but it is all because of the vegan diet. Milk is a deadly poison. Unless you drop milk from your diet, you will not realize how much problem you are creating in your body. Milk is like more serious addiction than alcohol or any drug. Until you stop milk, all the problems will arise in your life. I became vegan 35 years ago by a Muslim philosopher. In 4 sentences, he explained to me that if you are 1% harmless, 1% egoless, 1% truthful, you will be benefited 1%. But if you become 100% harmless, 100% egoless, and 100% truthful, then you will be benefited 100%. And I asked him what way benefited. He said mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. And I have experienced this journey of becoming benefited mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. So Dr. Rupa Shah has done a fantastic film, and we at the World Vegan Vision, very fortunate that we are showing you this film. Kindly become vegan. Here we have got a vegan dinner. Everything is vegan. Like paneer is there, tofu is there. Everything made from plant-based, and you can yourself taste how delicious it is and how easy it is to become egoless and helpful to your diet. Thank you.
Thank you very much. In your goodie bag, there's tofu, there is soya curd, there is lassi, and there is lassi, and there is chash. You'll be getting my book. You'll also get some goodies from Prolicious, and then some flyers are there. And there's a small book by Pramoda Chitramanuji about dark side of the dairy. So do read them and make use of it. Now I'm going to call Dr. Harsha Atmakuri. Have you heard of the film Maa Ka Doodh? Have you heard? How many languages it is translated? Do you know? It's pretty much there, and it has created history. You would like to say something about... He's our associate producer. He has constantly guided us while we were making the film continuously. He kept checking, kept guiding, never got tired, and always inspired us. So thank you very much for coming. And if you would like to share something about it. I'll be calling more people also, just relax.
Thank you very much for making this film. And I can say one thing, that as a doctor myself, like when I was studying medicine, we were never told... Hello? Yeah. So as a doctor myself, when I was studying medicine, we were never told that, once that diabetes can be reversed. So what we were studying was, if a person is diagnosed with diabetes, they need to take medicine till the end of their life. So my first experience was in 2017 when I met someone who has reversed diabetes. I first asked, don't try to promote veganism by telling lies. So then he said, come to my home and check my blood reports. So I visited his residence. I saw his blood reports. Then I saw that, yes, okay, he is telling the truth and he is not faking it. So that's the first time I believed that, food has a lot of power, and that power can influence our health as well. Yes, thank you.
Wonderful. Anyone else who wants to come and share something? We have some time. Who wants to take the mic? Are you all going to give up all the animal products? Are you ready? Raise your hands. Let me see. Oh, all 100%. Thank you very much. Who wants to come? Anyone else who wants to take the mic? Yeah, please come. Aao, Mehul bhai, come. Mehul bhai specially come from Baroda to attend this event. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. Namaste everyone. Myself Mehul. I belongs to Vadodara, Gujarat. As Dr. Upasa said, I am specially here for attending this program. By profession, I am a spiritual energy healer, where I am helping people to heal in terms of Reiki and Pranic healing. As we are talking from the whole plant-based food, even though as a healer, whenever I start counseling with the person who are suffering from any mental, physical or emotional problem, the first statement starts with the food. Fine? So it's nothing new. All are associated with each other. What I am trying to say is, even though we are healing the people through the energy, first counseling things comes as a food. So I understood their lifestyle, what all food they are consuming during morning, evening and afternoon. And based on that, we try to ask them to make the necessary change into it along with the energy healing. So energy healing will empower them to make them self-change into it. And over a period of time, we have seen the dramatic result that they are rid out of their problems. So this is what feedback I would like to share along with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Anyone else? Any questions you all have? Doctors, we need to educate the educated. Do you agree? Do you agree? We need to educate the educated, and we need to unlearn to learn again. Are you ready? I had to do the same myself. Unlearn and then start learning again. Who wants to share? Anybody? Anyone who has diabetes and has now seen the film properly? Yes. Come here.
Hi, so my name is Komal. I'm vegan since 3 years. And today my dad is also present here. My dad is also a medical doctor. He has got some throat infection, that's why he's not able to talk. So I'm talking on his behalf. So today my dad saw this film. He's practicing since 45 years. And he's also diabetic. He has also got a stroke some 3 years ago. But today he got really inspired by watching this film, and he has decided that today onwards he's turning vegan.
Where's your father? Acha, please come. Yeah, okay. No problem. Yes, wonderful. See, look at that, the inspiration. Yes, wonderful. Yes, I know. We have her in our story in the 3rd episode. We have some more episodes coming. Yeah, everyone please take your goodie bag. It will be given to you only when you leave, not before that. Okay? So, her story, we have it in our 3rd episode, which is about heart diseases and reversing autoimmune disorders. So she has herself reversed her own autoimmune disorder, as we've covered her story in our 3rd part. Our 4th episode is going to be on fitness, the vegan diet, plant-based lifestyle for those who are athletics and gym goers, for them. And then finally, last one is on resources. And Vatsal is working a lot 24/7 on this and taking stories of people. If you want to be part of it, I would like to show you that we have a WhatsApp group. Okay, it's called as Doctor in Me. And in that, we constantly share news related to our film, stories. We do knowledge sharing also. People are asking questions, we answer them also. We also do 30-day challenge. We also have recently myself Ela Pathak, who is a nutritionist, plant-based here. And we have Dr. Ajay Prabhu, Dr. Jenny Prabhu, Kajal Bhatia. We are part of a team called as Plant RX Institute. So we train doctors. We finished training one batch in January, and now next batch is in June month. We are training medical doctors to start implementing plant-based diet in their personal life and also in their practice. So if you want to register for this kind of courses, do contact us. Stay in touch. Doctor in Me there is a WhatsApp group. There is a YouTube channel also. We have a website also. And our future episodes will take time, okay? It's not going to happen tomorrow or 1 month. We nurture our topic very beautifully, systematically. We do all the fact checks. Today, not a single doctor got up to challenge the facts in the film. I was very concerned that they will ask me, data batao, ye batao. Sab kuch dikhaya na, so nobody got up. Thank you.
Dr. Patil, Mr. I heard some of the people have become vegan today only.
Yeah.
He's one of them. One person just left for the lunch.
Yeah.
And there are, sir, can you raise your hand if you are planning today or tomorrow become vegan, please? Please. Seriously.
All of those who are ready to be on a plant-based diet, please raise your hands.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Try to have plant-based milk from today onwards. If you don't become vegan also, try to use the plant-based milk to start with. And gradually you can change.
Yeah. Biju kahin kyun chhe?
How
was the film? How was the film? Film kevi lagi? Anyone else who wants to come? Ask me any question. I'm available to answer, huh? और सारे आंसर हो गए फिल्म में. Nothing to ask. Food is all vegan today. There is pav bhaji in vegan butter. There is dahi vada that has vegan dahi. There is gajar halwa that has vegan ghee. So it's all vegan. That's how plant-based we enjoy. We eat the same stuff, but we have our replacements and which are healthier version. Plant-based protein kahan se milega? So here is a person who has researched a lot about plant-based protein, and he's come up with very, very tasty, very simple, easy to digest, travel-friendly products. I have also started using them, and they are very addicting. So we'd like to introduce Prakash Bhai for his company Prolicious.
Thank you, Rupaji. Unfortunately, I missed the film, but wonderful to be here. Exactly what Rupaji said, that we try our best to make tasty products that all of us like, but having plant-based natural protein and fiber from whole foods, you know. And we have included in the packet today, there's one product called Upit, which I would earnestly request all of you all to please try. It is a natural combination of only 2 products, whole mung and low-fat peanut flour. You can add it to anything, it increases the protein content, and I'm sure you all will enjoy trying it and tasting it. Huh? Thank you.
Hi. We have also invented a new product. Today we are launching here a product made for butter. It's a plant-based butter and it's amazing. Please go behind this dais there. We are tasting the butter made from 2 oils, sunflower oil and palm oil. And please try, you will forget the Amul butter. It is as good as Amul, but it is plant-based. So it is 0 cholesterol, low saturated fat, and we are just launching here today for the first time. So please go and taste free of charge. And if you want to buy, you can buy also. It's a 100-gram packing for 100 rupees. Please go and try our Plantaceous vegan butter. Thank you.
Thank you. Come on, I want to introduce Peter. Peter has written a book and has been a very, very long-term vegan.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. So nice to see so many of you here. And I've been on this journey for 28 years, and it's held me and my family in very good stead. And believe me, what Dr. Rupa has done is just given you a small taste. A reversal of diabetes is the tip of the iceberg. The full iceberg is below. The ultimate aim is lifelong freedom from disease, fullness of function, fitness, grace, and to increase health span, not just lifespan. All the best.
See, Dr. Ram, you saw him in the film. He's a pediatrician from Thane. All my doctor friends, please pay attention. He's your classmate. Wonderful. And his story was so inspiring, right? He's right here today, all the way from Thane. And also,
good evening,
please listen.
Good evening, everybody. I am very, very thankful to Dr. Rupa Shah, Dr. Nandita Shah, Pramod Tripathi. And at the age of 59, I was diagnosed with diabetes. And lot of window shopping here, there. Same story, everybody's story is the same. I came across a pop-up, joined FFD, and today I have lost 18 kilos within 3 years. And life is fun and life is great. Any questions, we are all there to answer. Thank you very much and God bless.
Life will not only bring health to everybody, but peace to the whole world.
So there are other aspects of plant-based diet. So one is health, one is environment, one is animal compassion, and one is spiritual.
This will bring peace to the whole world.
It will save us. It will save our planet. Yes, wonderful. Thank you very much. Anyone else now? Otherwise, we are going to wind up. I think food is more important. Food. ठीक है, Ruchika, please come. So we're going to wind up now.
Hi, I'm Ruchika Chitrabhanu. You all saw this movie, Doctor and Me, Reversing Diabetes. I just want to tell you that just this week, I had taken a doctor to speak in a medical college. And when the students were asked if they know what a plant-based diet is and to put up their hands, hardly any students knew, medical students knew what is plant-based diet. And it made me think, like, imagine these are the students who are going to come out as doctors. I'm going to trust them with my life. And I'm just going to be prescribed medicines. Nobody's going to teach me how to prevent or how to reverse. I'll just be put on medication. So when we have doctors now who are helping you arrest, reverse, or prevent diseases through nutrition, why not go to them? Why not ask our family doctors that, do you know about nutrition? And introduce them to doctors who are helping people through nutrition. So we have to now further take this movement to our own people, to our own doctors, to our own society, and talk to them about this. Thank you so much for coming here. And I'm sure this was 100% convincing. There's like no doubt left. And thank you, Dr. Rupa. Thank you, Vatsal. Thank you, HK and Maltiben World Vegan Vision for doing this. And thank you so much for coming. Take the message home, sleep on it, think about it, don't let it go. The event stops here, but the thinking must go on. Thank you.
Anybody can see this is the WhatsApp group. If you want to join, please click on this QR code and then you put in a request and then we'll fix it.
यहाँ जो खाना मिल रहा है ये ऐसा खाना है जिसमें किसी भी प्रकार का एनिमल प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं हुआ है या एनिमल से आने वाली कोई भी चीज़ यूज़ नहीं हुई है। जैसे जो हमारा वेजिटेरियन फूड होता है उसमें जनरली लोग दूध, दही या डेयरी के प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हैं, पर इसमें वो भी नहीं है, तो उसको वीगन कहा जाता है। फिल्म वॉज अमेजिंग, नो डाउट। आई थिंक उस फिल्म को देख के काफ़ी सारे लोग वीगन बनेंगे और उनको समझ में आएगा कि वीगन इज़ द ओनली वे, एंड हम अपने इंडिया को डायबिटीज़ फ्री बना पाएंगे।